Gouldian finches. These are two males. They're molting, so their head color's a little patchy. They're a bit older. I have another pair that's a male and female. They may be a little past their breeding prime, but I just got them set up with their nest box and stuff. And I'll see if I have any luck. Years ago, I had hundreds of these. I was president of a local bird club, and Gouldian finches were my thing. And I bred lots and lots and sold lots and lots, and every color you could imagine. They're fun to breed. Their genetics are interesting. They come, you can breed for color on 3 separate parts of their body. A back color, which you can breed in green, yellow, or blue. As you can see here, I've got a yellow and what's considered a dilute green. Then you breed for a breast color, which can be purple, white, or lavender. And you can see here I've got a purple breast and a white breasted. And then the head color comes in red, orange, or black. My other pair, I have a black-headed male and an orange-headed female. So they're definitely very, very fun and interesting breeding-wise and genetics-wise to breed all the different color combinations for head, chest, and back color. The male sings a little song that sounds like a little spaceship and hops up and down on the perch. I'll include a clip here of a male Gouldian finch doing his little mating display. He probably won't do it right now while I've got the camera on their face. Here, little buddy. They're a lovely little bird. Now I'll show you the other pair I just set up with a nest box. There we go. There's the little female there with the orange head. And then the male has a black head, but he's molting, so his head is full of white pin feathers right now. And behind her, behind all that brush, is the nest box. And I've already got the nesting material in it. It's all ready to go. He actually appears to be kind of a lavender breast. So anyway, we'll hope that these guys still got some fertility left in them. I think they're probably maybe 4 going on 5 years. I got these last fall from a friend that breeds birds. These were the last he had of the Gouldians, and donated them to me to see what I can do with them. So they look a little rough right now with the molting, but they're healthy and in good shape. So we'll see what I can luck up with and get. Baby Gouldian finches are adorable. Okay, hi, big girl. Big girl. Dudley and Kickstand, English Budgies. They're bigger than your average parakeets. Hi, pretty girl. Can you, yeah, whistle for everybody. I'm giving kisses. What you do? I know. I know. What you doing, pretty girls? What's my little budgie? I know, she's my little budgie. She's my pretty girl. Here's the pretty birds. Look at the little love bugs. Anyway, so aren't you too cute? Aren't you too cute? Alright, well, that's a bird update.